Keeping your heart healthy is a great way to start the new year. Hi, I'm Jim Morelli, an independent pharmacist and national health reporter. Nature-Made fish oil provides the right dose of critical omega-3s as recommended by leading heart health experts. Make sure that you're getting the right dose for your heart with Nature-Made, the #1 pharmacist-recommended brand of fish oil. Talk to your pharmacist if you have questions while you shop the vitamin aisle.
I need